All right. We're coming to the final stretch. But how do you like the setup I have with this e-zine, this free ebook? Something different, right? Little short videos telling you what you want, walking you through it. So this way you have an understanding while you're reading it. And at the end, maybe we can work together on something that's even better. But I just want to go over, now we're on what they call agree. In the world of sales, and the world of customer service, in the world of hospitality, in the world of a lot of different things, agreeing and not being the butthole of it all, right, is going to determine whether people do business with you or not. This is huge, right? In the world of sales, being able to agree with your customers or clients and turn their objections around is a powerful tool. And this is where I'm just going to tell, having the word in sales call, over the sales call, cold calls, you're always going to have the word but, right? And this is where this comes around. The word but can be used to turn things around from their objections. I'll give you a perfect example. Hey, Gordon, this program might be too expensive. This might be out of my reach. My wife has to come to it. But, right? But if you use but in the right terms and you agree, I completely agree with you. It is expensive, but 6 months down the line, you'll be still doing the same things over and over, but you'll still be in the same place. What if I told you we can book a call and do something so that you can actually get this type of money, get this type of closing, get this type of product? And then what if we start now? If we don't start now, we'll schedule something along the line so I can follow up with you, so I can actually give you some more information. The objections, the limiting the beliefs, a lot of stuff that can happen is with the word but. Even with my kids, Dad, I want this candy. But, okay, I turn it around. Yes, you can have this candy, but if you brush your teeth a little bit more, we won't have to go to the dentist. It's little things like that. And this is where a lot of times when I see some of my teams and stuff like that, they miss the angle of the picture because the wrapper is not there, or the product. Have you ever wondered why some people can sell the crappiest product, the product is crappiest, but they know how to make the sale? It's because the wrapping process. This is a wrapping process of what a service or product can do. It's not just about hammering sales. It's about understanding the process that's you can do with your own style. And that's why I say you might be creating your own style. You might be creating your own process, but these are the basic bare bones that you're going to use to create everything that you need propelling you forward. All right. I hope that makes sense. All right. Had to go off on a tangent. By building rapport and trust, you show that you value their perspective and concerns by agreeing and not bumping heads. Bumping heads is like anytime somebody gives you some sort of pushback, you already shut down mentally and emotionally, and that's what you want to do. There's certain ways you can word it, but then you agree, and guess what happens? Now you back to the partnership again. It's not just one-sided, right? This creates a positive environment in which they feel heard and understood. Active listening. All of these ties in, guys, right? Leading to a stronger connection and a higher likelihood of achieving a successful outcome. Resolution for the problem. Alleviating their pain. Avoiding that embarrassment. Saving time. Saving money. Making more money. The list can go on and on. But by validating the customer's concerns is another key aspect of this approach. By agreeing with their objection, you show that you respect their opinion and understand their perspective. This not only helps to diffuse tension, but also creates a more collaborative and conversation where both parties feel comfortable sharing their thoughts and ideas. It's the same when I deal with at-risk youth or parents. I agree with them because we're in a different situation, different world, but I'm not there to tell them you're wrong on your parenting skills. There's no other way, but I agree with them. And it diffuses the tension level in the room so that I can present the product on what we have offered. And that's just one style. Number two, right? Most importantly, by agreeing and acknowledging the customer's objections, you establish yourself as the problem solver, or what I like to call the fixer. You want to be the fixer, the know-all, and you want people to come to you and pass that on, because once that starts to roll, it becomes easier each and every single day. And that's where you want to be, because that's where everything falls in business, because it's a partnership. In short, being able to agree with customers or clients and turn their objections around is crucial in establishing the rapport, validating concerns, and positioning yourself as a problem solver or fixer. Like I said, this approach opens the door for collaboration, which is huge, right? And creating a positive and productive environment for addressing their concerns and finding mutually beneficial solutions. You're gonna meet some of my partners. I've worked with some of the best in the industry already, been on their stages, been in back rooms and stuff, but this is how you do it. So let's go back to this. You get to build rapport and trust. You get to validate their concerns, right? Even if you take these two and you run with it, you also establish yourself as the problem solver by just agreeing. I agree with you, Mr. and Mrs. Jones. It's expensive, but blah, blah, blah. You open the door for collaboration. It wouldn't be out of the ordinary for one of your top marketers that you see something, that you see someone online to ask me my opinion, right? And then we can collaborate later. Here's another huge one. This is huge. Turn objections into opportunities. If somebody has a problem, remember, you're a problem solver and you're actually a business person. You provide a service, you provide a product. The number one way to make money is to provide a solution for a problem that somebody else has. Use this as a stepping stone to solve people's problems. Be a connector and this is where you can uncover valuable insights about the customer's needs. Hey, Courtney, I didn't know you could do this. I also have this problem. I have this solution right here. I didn't even mention the product. I don't care what the product is. I have a solution, right? Go over the questionnaire again, assessment, and then we'll figure out a way how we can put all these assessments together, give you a number on it, and give you the benefit and especially the benefits of it all, right? Some of the benefits, agreeing clients, regardless of the situation or the context, offers several significant benefits and meaning for you guys, right? First and foremost, it helps to establish positive relationships, remember, and partnerships. Without agreeing, by always fighting, in-house fighting, nobody gets nowhere, right? And there's nothing gonna happen if you disagree. You can be respectful to disagree. Say you're doing a think tank, a mastermind, you're strategizing, but that's different because I agree with them, I agree with this side, I agree with this stuff. This way you can provide that solution that you have. So let's go over this again. We're gonna go backwards. Look, no matter which way you do it, agree, active listening, alleviate their pain, make it about them, right? In fact, it's gonna be cool right here, right? I'm gonna do this. Let me go here. Right. This is how simple it is, right? You can see my thing. We went over active listening. Oops. Usually I have this above me. Active listening, alleviate their pain. You made it about them. You have the right attitude. Your avatar, right? Now you can see what I'm seeing, right? Boom. Now we're gonna go over something else, right? Basically, guys, we have 3 more, and I just want to say that a lot of times agreeing is going to empower you and have the confidence because you know your stuff. Now the trick is when you use active listening, when you know your stuff, to present in a way with compassion and empathy so that they make a buying choice, which is going to be emotional. But that's on the next one. So we'll see you on the next one. Stick around, turn the page, and we'll see you on the next one.